Hare Krishna, welcome all of you. I'll share something with you interesting today, a short time. How to welcome Lord Sri Krishna into your home by welcoming the Srimad Bhagavatam. As you see here, you can light up your home with spiritual bliss because when you bring Bhagavatam, you bring happiness to your home. You all know very well, Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna, and Srimad Bhagavatam was spoken by Shukadeva Goswami to King Parikshit, mentioning two very important million-dollar questions. What is the duty of every human being? What is the duty of a dying man? It's very elaborately explained. You see, when Lord Krishna was present in the planet, everything was beautiful. Flowers were blooming, the fruits were ripening, the sun was shining, clouds were showering. Everything was wonderful. But when Lord Krishna went from Bhuloka to Goloka, at that time the world became enveloped by darkness. So Lord Krishna decided to leave the Srimad Bhagavatam so that it can give light in the hearts and lives of all the people of Kali Yuga, which is the current age that's going on. So, if you bring Srimad Bhagavatam to your home, it can enlighten you, enliven you, bless you with pure devotion to Lord Sri Krishna, and also experience a happy life even right now while you are living in this world, and give you a happy life forever. It offers you a vast knowledge about hundreds of subject matters. Like you see, people want to learn about adventure or love or romance or stunt or tragedy or comedy or science, history, geography, many, many more subjects. There are 50 plus subjects I have shown here. You will see. Not only that, it also offers you life tools to deal with things like relationship issues, facing insults, stress, and indecision. There are unexpected calamities in our life. Sometimes there are quarrels and conflicts. So many of us need someone to help us, and people are going to psychiatrists. Instead, you can read Srimad Bhagavatam and get all the solutions right here in this book. I'm giving you some examples here. How to face life challenges with a cool head. Vasudeva had to face Kamsa, who was about to kill his own wife, Devaki. He can't run away from the scene, flight. He can't take a sword and attack back, fight. Similarly, we also face fight-flight situations in our life. Like a newly married girl comes to her in-laws' house, and she faces new challenges. A man who is working in a job under a very aggressive tycoon, a boss, he has to face the challenges. So here, Bhagavatam gives you solutions on how to be sober in such situations and face them. How to be a shock absorber, able to absorb all the challenges and not react violently, but respond maturely. And also how to create a bright future for yourself. Here is an example of Vidura who was insulted by Duryodhana, but Vidura created a bright future for himself. How to create a Lord in crisis, like you can see here, Gajendra, without collapsing in such situations. So how to pray to get empowerment from the Lord. How to take initiative even when your hands and legs are tied. Like Gajendra's leg is caught by a crocodile, still he teaches us by this pastime how to face such situations. Here you find Krishna and Sudama clasping each other's hands. How to cherish and nourish loving relationships with relatives, with devotees, with those who are near and dear to us. How to be living in this world happily with putting God in the center of our lives. At the same time, Krishna and Sudama are carrying firewood, which means the results are the Guru's mission. How to fulfill the mission while preserving loving relationships. How not to hurt ourselves with pride when you are rich or when you are educated, when you are famous or beautiful. So, from Nalakur Manigiri pastime, where Krishna delivered them in the Ukalbandhan Leela, grinding Mata Leela, there are many, many valuable lessons for us to learn like this in our life. And here is an example of a 5-year-old boy, Dhruva, who was insulted by his stepmother, how he converted the negative situation into a positive achievement by approaching his mother, Suniti, and also later on Narada, who guided him to see Lord Vishnu. He had a one-pointed, focused determination and steadiness. Do you wish to do meditation like that? Then read Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, it offers you authentic knowledge on many, many historical episodes coming in Guru Parampara, in very simple English language and multiple languages. And who is the commentator? Here is His Divine Grace, His Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of ISKCON Society. In very simple, lucid English. For the first time, it's available now for you. Earlier it was all in Sanskrit. And if you read it daily, just one page a day, beyond this one small lifespan of 70, 80, 100 years, you and your family members will all go back home, back to Vaikuntha, the spiritual world, from Bhuloka to Goloka. And that is the promise given in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So please take a copy of this Bhagavatam, which is non-different from Krishna, as I told you in the beginning. You see, the different parts of Krishna's body are compared to different cantos of the 12 cantos of the Srimad Bhagavatam. This is mentioned in Padma Purana. And here is the WhatsApp number to which you have to call and place an order in whatever language you would like to have it. And if you take a Bhagavatam from me, then I will also put a blessing note, stick it in your Bhagavatam for all your family members with my signature, and I'll be parceling it to you, posting it to you. And also later, after a few weeks, I'm planning to call all those who took Bhagavatam from me for a couple of hours, a Zoom talk, where you can interact with me and ask your questions if you wish to. Most welcome. Thank you. Hare Krishna.